trucks inside.
Nice. What equipment are those?
Mommy, can I see Rainbow Crane Truck?
Linkbelt Crane Truck.
Mommy, can I see Sunbelt Rentals?
Sunbelt Rentals.
Can I see Sunbelt Rentals Snorkel Lift?
Sunbelt Rental Snorkel Lift.
Can I see Scissors Lift?
Scissors Lift.
Mommy, can I see Sunbelt Rentals Snorkel Lift?
Sunbelt Rental Snorkel Lift.
Can I see Sunbelt Rentals?
Sunbelt Rentals.
Can I see Genie?
Genie.
Can I see Heiko Crane?
Heiko Crane.
Can I see Crane Truck?
Crane Truck. What else?
The Rainbow Crane Truck is not here.
Yeah, where is it?
It's in the other construction site.
Yeah.
You're not moving.
Yeah.
Are you not moving?
Yep, they're not moving. Do you see any other equipment?
Yeah.
What?
I see a handy van.
Oh, you see a handy van. Yep, that's
I see a handy van.
handy van.
That's who Daddy's office. That's who Daddy's office will is.
Yeah.
Who's that?
What is it? What's that?
It's a telehandler.
Yeah.
You see Hydro people?
Yeah. What else do you see over there?
I see a mini here.
And
A delivery truck.
the delivery truck. What about on this side? What do you see?
A truck.
Right there.
I see.
We're here.
What kind of vehicle? It's a front loader.
It's a front loader. Oh, nice. What else?
I see mega machines.
Mm-hmm.
I see the fire truck in the fire station.
Wow.
No, I see an oat.
You see a what?
It's an oat.
Oat.
That's where the owl is.
Oh, okay.
Is the owl sleeping?
I don't think there's an owl in there.
Is he sleeping in an oat?
Maybe. What equipment is this one right here, the orange one?
What is that?
What is it?
It's a digger.
It's a digger. Oh. What else do you see?
I see a hatchback.
A hatchback? Where?
That's the one.
Wow.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy's at work. Baby, sit nicely.
Okay. I see a long bus.
Yeah, I see it too.
There's a van. Mommy, there's a van.
Yeah, you see a van.
It is so bumpy.
Yeah, it's bumpy here.
Can you
Yeah.
Can you see my photos, please?
I took a video of you. I'm taking a video of you. Whoa, whoa. The road is so bumpy.